Hello students, from last 2 or 3 lectures we are going through the text The Call of the Soil, a Scent of Rice. In this text we have discussed about the writer's first crop experience. He earned well experience by taking mung crop from last 10 kilograms. From the 10 kilogram seeds, he produced 300 kilogram mung without using chemicals and fertilizers. Moru Dada also advised him to do that. For the first year, he was late to sow rice and he had resorted to grow ZR4 variety. Next year, he decided to get traditional variety of rice. It doesn't require high input of fertilizers and it is strong and resist pests. Most farmers of that area switched over to hybrids. After a lot of discussion, he decided to take traditional varieties of rice, and that time he got the name that was Kasbai. Kasbai is the variety which is very traditional, but nobody had that variety as seeds. He met government agricultural officer, but that officer hadn't heard the name of that rice variety. He determined to get, so he moved to the next generation. Now we should go on the page number 29, the first paragraph. Page number is 29, the first paragraph of your textbook. See there. This time it was the Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa which buys rice from the Adivasi villagers on behalf of the government. See what is given here. There was a Adivasi Mahamandal at Kasa, okay, and that Adivasi Mahamandal used to buy rice from the Adivasi villagers to the government. Kasbai did not figure in their files. But what was there? See, Kasbai was not the name in their file, though that Adivasi Mahamandal used to buy the rice from Adivasi villagers. A good indication why people did not grow it anymore. The market itself did not recognize the rice. So if you grow it, you would not be able to sell it. See what is given here. That Kasbai variety was not known for any other. Adivasi Mahamandal was not ready to buy the traditional varieties because they were also unfamiliar with that. So nobody would grow the variety which doesn't sell, right? However, the officer in charge here had more knowledge of rice and did remember Kasbai being sold in him a few years ago. But there was an officer, and that in charge officer had the knowledge of that rice. He remembered that Kasbai was being sold to him a few years ago. Correct. Now that officer, that Adivasi Mahamandal's officer, told about Kasbai which was being sold a few years ago. Right. So see there, when I in Dhaniwari Baban and I started looking for Devu Handa and found a graying old man wearing a cap sitting outside his house on a charpoi, an ex-sarpanch of the village. He had acres of land, a huge house and a large family. What is given here? When writer in Dhaniwari, see the village name is given. When writer was in Dhaniwari, that time writer Baban, okay, Baban and writer started looking for Devu Handa. Devu Handa is the name of a person. He was found in graying old man. He had worn a cap and he was sitting outside his house on a charpoi. See what is given here. When writer and Baban went to get that traditional variety kasbai, that time in Dhaniwari, they both met a person Devu Handa. He was old man and he had worn a cap and he was sitting on that charpoi. He was ex-sarpanch of that village. He had the acres of land. He had a huge house and a large family, to whom Devu Handa, after exchanging the usual pleasantries, we came to the topic of kasbai. Okay, after the discussion, they went on the topic kasbai. The mere mention of kasbai and Devu Handa drifted into the past, and that time, as the discussion went on the kasbai, that time that Devu Handa, that old man, and kasbai drifted into the past. It means Devu Handa went in the past. His eyes turned dreamy, and with a tremble in his voice, he told us how the entire village at one time grew only kasbai. And that time that old man, Devu Handa, informed writer and Baban about that traditional variety kasbai, and he told that the entire village would take the variety kasbai as a major crop that time. He said there was a time when people passing our village during lunch time would be forced to stop and ask for a meal. That person, Devu Handa, informed that when there was the lunch time, the people who were passing their village during the lunch time would be forced to stop and ask for a meal. Such was the alluring aroma of kasbai. He told that the people who were passing from that village used to stop when there was the lunch time to get the aroma of kasbai. It means there was aroma for that traditional variety kasbai. Kasbai rice variety is there, and that rice variety had the scent, very attractive scent was there. Such was the entire area would have this heady aroma hanging in the air, as all the houses cooked the same rice. That person also informed that the all houses used to cook that same rice, and there would be the heady aroma hanging in the air of that kasbai. Today he said no one grew kasbai and everyone had shifted to growing the new hybrid varieties. But nowadays, that person informed, nowadays all the people had shifted to grow the new hybrid varieties. He claimed that he had to force himself to eat this rice that was no insipid. Insipid means tasteless. He claimed that he had to force himself to eat this rice that was so insipid. Nowadays, people are using the rice variety, but that rice varieties are hybrid and they are tasteless. That old person informed this to Reiter and Bubben. With the advent of irrigation, farmers were tempted to grow a second crop, and kasbai, being a long duration rice, was replaced by the shorter duration hybrid so that the harvest could be done earlier. See what is given here. With the advent of irrigation. Advent means arrival. With the arrival of irrigation, everywhere there is the irrigation, and now farmers were tempted to grow a second crop. So, see what is given. Farmers are thinking to get the second crop also in a year. So, the kasbai, this variety was a long duration rice variety. That variety was replaced by the shorter duration hybrid varieties so that the harvest could be done earlier. For that reason, kasbai was that time became outdated, right? This ensured that the farmers could take up a second crop. Now farmers are taking second crop, so they are using hybrid varieties, and everybody had made negligence to the variety kasbai. I asked why he had shifted if he was so unhappy with the hybrids. No one forced him to, did they? He smiled and replied that their fields did not have fences, and once the harvest was over, the cattle were released into the fields. See what is given. That time Reiter asked why he had shifted if he was so unhappy with the hybrids. That old person named Devhanda, that old person was unhappy about that hybrid varieties, but Reiter asked him why they had shifted towards the hybrid variety. They were not forced to take the hybrid variety, and that time that person smiled and answered that their fields did not have the fences, kumpan, and once the harvest was over, when the harvest was done, the cattle were released. He told about that problem because kasbai is the long harvesting variety. So the problem is that when the harvesting was done, that time the cattle were released in that field. काय माहिती दिली तर कासबाई व्हरायटी का लुप्त हो झाली. कासबाई व्हरायटी ही प्रोड्यूस करण्यासाठी खूप जास्तीचा काळ घेते. हायब्रिड व्हरायटी बाकी इतर सर्व शेतकऱ्यांच्या आहेत आणि हायब्रिड व्हरायटीज लवकर हार्वेस्ट केल्यामुळं तिथल्या जमिनी रिकाम्या होतात आणि नंतर गुरंजनावरं त्यामध्ये सोडले जातात. आणि एखाद्याकडे जर कासबाई ही व्हरायटी असेल तर त्या गुराजनावरांचा ओढा त्या कासबाई व्हरायटीकडे जातो आणि त्यामुळं तिथं पिकाचं नुकसान होऊ शकतं असं त्यानं माहिती दिली. If my field once has kasbai, it will be a treat for the cattle, he explained. जर एखाद्याच्या फील्डमध्ये किंवा त्याच्या फील्डमध्ये कासबाई व्हरायटी जर असेल जी लॉंग हार्वेस्टिंग व्हरायटी आहे तर इट विल बी अ ट्रीट फॉर द कॅटल्स, ही एक्सक्लेम. ट्रीट मीन्स मेजवानी, आणि ती मेजवानीच त्या गुरांसाठी ठरू शकते. समटाइम्स वी हॅव टू फॉल इन लाईन विथ द कम्युनिटी. ही लॅमिनेटेड. लॅमिनेटेड मीन्स पॅशनेट एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ ग्रीप, म्हणजे शोक करणे. लॅमिनेटेड. समटाइम्स वी हॅव टू फॉल इन लाईन विथ द कम्युनिटी. त्याचं म्हणणं आहे की बऱ्याच वेळेस आपण समाजाच्या सोबत चाललं पाहिजे, समाजाच्या रूढीप्रमाणे आपल्यालाही जुळवून घ्यावं लागत असतं, असं तो म्हणतो. हायब्रिड्स नीड मोर वॉटर, फर्टिलायझर्स अँड पेस्टिसाइड्स. ही सेड दॅट yields were good initially but of late had reduced a lot. त्यानं माहिती दिली की हायब्रिड नीड्स मोर वॉटर, हायब्रिड नीड्स फर्टिलायझर्स ॲज वेल ॲज पेस्टिसाइड्स. संकरित पिकांना अधिक पाणी, खते आणि कीटकनाशकं लागतात. सुरुवातीला पीक उत्तम असं उत्पन्न देत असतं, पण हल्ली ते खूपच कमी होऊ लागलंय, हे असं त्यानं सांगितलं. Besides, he said that each year they had to increase the quantity of urea and pesticides they used. Besides म्हणजे याच्या सोबतीला, he said that each year they had to increase the quantity of urea. प्रत्येक वर्षी त्यांना युरियाची क्वांटिटी वाढवावी लागत आहे आणि पेस्टिसाइड्सचा खर्चही जास्तीचा वाढत आहे. इट वॉज ॲज इफ द न्यूवर हायब्रिड्स हॅड ॲन इनसॅटिएबल ॲपेटाईट फॉर केमिकल्स. सी द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड. इनसॅटिएबल मीन्स इम्पॉसिबल टू सॅटिस्फाय. ॲपेटाईट मीन्स desire. What is given here? It was as if the newer hybrids had an insatiable appetite for chemicals. म्हणजे तो म्हणतोय की हायब्रिड व्हरायटीजला जास्तीचे केमिकल्स लागतात. He told us that even when there was flash floods in the 60s, Kasbai had stood its ground. He fondly remembered how the rice was still standing when they all returned to the village after the floods had receded. See what is given here. He fondly remembered. He remembered that the rice was still standing when they all returned to the village after the floods. त्यानं माहिती दिली 1960च्या काळात आकस्मिक पूर आला तेव्हा कासबाईचे पीक तेवढे तग धरून होते असे त्यांनी सांगितले. पूर ओसरल्यानंतर जेव्हा सर्वजण गावात परतले तेव्हा या भाताचे पीक तसेच शेतात उभे होते अशी आठवण त्याने सांगितली. सच वॉज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ राईस बट लुक व्हॉट वी हॅव डन. ही र्यूड. या पद्धतीनं तांदळामध्ये तशी मजबूती होती, पण आता आपण काय करून ठेवलंय हे पहा, असं तो म्हणतोय. इन असरवली विलेज ॲज ही वेंट ऑन reminiscing about the rice, we gently guided him back to the reason for our visit, the Kasbai seeds. He was sure that there was not a single villager in his area who would have the seeds of Kasbai. According to him, the only people who still grew it were the Adivasis in the hamlet at the foothills of the mountains in the next village, Asarwari. See what is given here. As he went on reminiscing means remembering a story about a past event. As he was remembering the story about that rice, that time writer and his friend Baban gently guided him back to the reason for their visit, they told that person that they were there for the kasbai seeds. So he was sure that there was not a single villager in his area who would have the seed of that kasbai. So according to him, the only people who still grew it were the Adivasis in a hamlet at a foothills of the mountains in the next village, Asarvari. That time that person informed about the village Asarvari, where there are some Adivasis in a hamlet at the foothills of the mountain, and that Adivasis take the traditional variety, that kasbai. He sure that in his village there was no any farmer who would grow the variety kasbai. We bid farewell to Devhuda Handa and we bid farewell to Devhanda, who lovingly blessed us and said, Mahalakshmi, the local goddess, will give you the seeds of kasbai. And that time they both left that person Devhanda, who was lovingly blessed them and said that the Mahalakshmi, the local goddess, would give them the seed of kasbai. He blessed. Right? Today in this lecture, we have discussed how writers and his friends' trial to get kasbai variety was in continue, and they both met to a person Devhanda, and with him they discuss on many issues, and at last Devhanda informed writer and his friend about the place where they would get the variety kasbai. From the next lecture, we have to discuss the next story of this text. Okay, now we have to stop here. Thank you.